Hello guys, hi. I guess my voice is audible to you. Yes, so basically yesterday we took a trade in BTC.
Yeah. Hi, good evening, guys. So today we will continue with our session like we are doing every day.
So just let's just check the stuff what's going on in gold and silver and basically in BTC as well. Okay. So still our view is intact only like it's a bearish. Yesterday we took a trade and it was a cost to cost stop loss.
Yeah, so like it went to 19K profit, 190 USDT it was giving us.
Yeah,
So after that, what happened? We trailed our stop loss to cost.
to cost. That was a good decision what we did.
Exactly.
Otherwise it would be simply like taking our emotions, dragging or sitting out
Mm.
there only.
If you still see now the price is still at the same levels, but still we exited at cost. Why? Because we don't want to unnecessarily hold any position for such a long time. Where
And
if you see market is weak, and after this much of fall, maybe here you see this is a kind of some demand zone. So market either can take a demand and it can go up, or either it will consolidate here. So
correct.
which is not a valid option. So when market like we took a trade somewhere here, and then we it went here. So it was giving us 190 USDT profit. After that, what happened? I trailed stop loss to cost and we exited at cost only. So don't try to hold any trades. When you get more than 1:1, what happened? Try to trail your stop losses. Either you can trail in some profits or also you can trade in to the cost also. So all these things you can do. At least you have to be after getting more than 1:1, you should be in no loss position. Either you can lock some profit, you can do partial booking, either you can place your stop loss, trail stop loss at higher than the cost price, or either at the cost price. So all these things options you can choose. So basically we trade our stop loss to cost and we exited at cost only.
Yeah, we exited. If you can see over here, it's little bit profit only. That's 250 rupees. That's completely fine. Okay, little bit charges will also be there. Why? Because we were using like 100 to 500 rupees for charges. That's completely fine. Okay. So now what happened? Let's again see any momentum will be there. See,
Yeah,
in India market, you saw today it was a huge fall in the
exactly.
silver. See, that is basically, see, here you can see it's a stable only. It's not going, it's a stable, right? 93, 96, $93.6. It is running here. What happened in Indian market is like basically huge premium pumped up was there in ETFs. Okay.
Yeah.
So because of that, what happened? Automatically it corrected. Okay. So it corrected. So that is the only one reason. 16, 15, 16% of the momentum, and again it closed at 6 7 percentage. That's completely fine. It happens. Okay. This is twice. Okay. Before it was there at this level, October 16th, when the market basically very far, it reached 54 550 point dollar over there. When it correct here, no, it was a very huge fall in the premium. The same kind of a fall today I saw. Okay, even here it was not kind of that fall. Okay, that was not there here. Today it was there. Okay, so no need of worrying. Everything is fine. See, market basically corrected little bit. You see here, it was a very from 83, it directly came to 70.
Yeah,
At
so
that time also, this kind of fall
12%
was
drop.
not there
12%
in the
drop in a
okay
single day.
ETF. Today, because of the ETF premiumness, that is completely fine. Okay, why? Because ETF was showing from October, it was showing what
Exactly. So it's just a
100%.
little, you can say small correction only. And now market is doing consolidation. So which is again a good thing because now market is again getting ready for a new rally.
Yeah,
One important thing, this is swing low, new swing low, new swing low, and again
new
a new
swing.
swing low. So good thing is that no previous swing low has been taken out.
Correct.
So which is what happening, more and more confidence is coming to the buyers. They are accumulating. So this is a very good sign for the silver also and gold also. So yesterday also, guys, if you know that yesterday we were discussing that Trump is about to speak. So yesterday you can see this such a fall came in gold. You see here this fall came in gold. After that, what happened again? Gold
Recovered.
is trying recovering. So these global commodities, you can say that they can be influenced for a very small time, but ultimately they will go up only, or they will try to find their original price because global commodity is not linked to any one particular country or any one particular industry. It will tell you the whole micro level, global level, what is the risk and uncertainty. So runs uncertainty is looming and it's increasing and increasing. So that is why these commodities are making new high every day. Exactly. So don't be like every pullback, this thing, a small correction. Don't be afraid.
Everything is completely fine. Okay. See, and one more thing, yesterday, every day I'm telling you that stuff is like, see, silver has given hundreds of, gold has given hundreds of percentage. So if it is coming 10-20% fine, that's completely fine. That's completely okay. Okay, that is what we can expect here. It's not that it will not come down only. It's never gonna happen like that. Okay. It's okay. So let's see what's going on here. Any trades we are getting.
Let's see if we can find any trade in gold or anything else in BTC. Let's see. So guys, if you see here, first let me mark this zone. So if you see, this is the today's opening and market, what happened? Completely respected this demand zone here. If you see here, this is a demand zone, major demand zone for the gold. Now let's try to find some supply zone where gold can face some issues. So this is the supply zone you see here.
It is sitting in supply area.
This is, you can say now, US market is about to open in 10-15 minutes. So after that, what will happen? New liquidity will come, volume will come, momentum will come. So for that, we have to wait. So for next 10 to 15 minutes, what we can do is that we can see and analyze like how the gold chart is forming. And after that, 6:30, when we see a proper breakout, if the breakout is coming, what we can do is that we can plan for long and we can plan these swing highs as a target. So again, if you see, this is 4854 and this will be 4874. So what we can do is here something like that. Let's say we are getting a proper breakout here. We can try to go long somewhere here with a target of these highs, and stop loss we can place here below this swing low. Just a second, 30 minutes, somewhere below this swing low.
You can go 5 minutes and we can check that also.
So this we can place as a first, and this is higher time frame. So 15 minute also we can go. So after breakout, what you can do, you can place somewhere here also. Or if you want to take less risk, you can place somewhere here also if it's again making a buy on dip structure. Like this kind of structure, if you see here.
Pullback is there, that time also you can enter. That's completely fine, no issues.
So whenever you're trying to enter breakouts now, what happens? Last swing low automatically becomes your stop loss. So as now, if you're getting breakout here, this swing loss will be our stop loss. So again, we will be trying to go with moderate 1:1.5, and after that, again, if we are seeing that market is containing momentum, so next target will be again new highs somewhere here.
All time high.
So maybe we can expect next week gold can go 5,000. So 5,000 is here, guys. So 5,000 is not far away now. Only 100 and 150 points is there for 5,000 mark, which is like yeah,
nothing to do.
Every day gold is giving 1.5% every day.
2 days thing.
Yeah, so 70-80 points it is giving like this, nothing only. In the maybe tomorrow morning we wake up and we see gold is 5,000. That is also possible. So all these things are possible. So let's wait for some time what kind of structure this gold is making.
And let's analyze BTC as well if we are getting any trade over here also. Okay. So gold, yes, it is what it is. If any momentum, any pace is there, we can try to go for a trade over there. A good consolidation is going. This kind of structure always makes a new high only. Okay. Silver is, yeah, that is like pretty much volatile. It is nature itself is now it's same like that only. So BTC it's full on consolidation zone. Okay. So it's full area. If you see here in a smaller time frame perspective manner, it is full on consolidation here. It's not at all going anywhere. Okay. So if the price reaches to this area again, we can think of selling.
Exactly.
Okay, why exactly I'm telling you? See the pace when the price reached here, no? See the selling.
Reacting. Yes.
See the selling. Every time it is coming here, selling is very, very quick. Okay. So again, when if the price reaches to this 90,300 or 90,400 level, wherever we get a sell off, we can try to take a trade from there. Again, short. It's a bearish only. We are not looking any bullish momentum from this thing BTC. So we will be selling from that. That is the one thing what I can say here. So yesterday is like the pace was really good. I thought that okay it can go, but I saw that when the demand area, no, so definitely it will try to react from there. So that is when we start moving our stop loss to cost to cost. That was a major reason here. Otherwise, it would be peacefully would have would have taken a target of 50, 60,000.
Yeah, see, almost we are getting 19,000 rupees. So $190 we were getting.
Correct. So it was easy PC was there. But like it reversed, so we booked it in a cost to cost.
Exactly, cost to cost we execute.
Again, we can take a trade when we get an opportunity once more. Okay,
See,
don't jump.
simple thing is that what we are trying to guys, like every day we are doing analysis in 30 minutes, taking a trade and leaving it, and then we are updating to you.
That's it.
So either now, see, entry we are controlling, stop loss we are controlling. Now target is something that we can't control. After that, what you can do is that, let's say like yesterday situation, you if you ever come across the same situation, I told you what you can do. You can do partial booking, you can do trailing stop loss. So many options are available for you. Whatever the risk appetite is suitable for you, you go ahead with that. So for us, it is very much familiar or comfortable for us. Like we can sit with this 19,000, 18,000 because we are planning to capture big. That's true. And every day we are telling you like we will at least try to capture 1 is to 1.5. The moment you can also do that, the moment you're getting 1 is to 1 or more than 1 is to 1, you can trail your stop loss to cost. So at least now you will be in no loss position. Correct. After that, market going anywhere, it will be a either cost exit or it will be a more profit for you. So all these options are available for you. Let's see now in 10 minutes, new session will open. It's consolidating, it's not going anywhere. Yeah. Indian markets were okay today, pretty much okay. It was like both side direction was
Yeah,
there.
both side was it.
It was good only. Nifty, Sensex was also good. This was expecting this yesterday. Also, I was telling this up. Not in here, probably. It will be choppiness only, up and down, up and down. It will be trying to go up and down, and then it will try to close there only. So it's, if you see, it's kind of almost daytime and doji only. Same stuff. What it is trying to show us.
See, market is completely, if you say it's a bearish, what it is doing is that it's a small retracement only. So 2 days, if you see this is a doji, again market is trying to go up. Don't expect that market is bullish now or market has changed the trend.
I think
It will only be possible.
back again. It will
Yeah.
sell from there.
Once we get a closing about 25,500, then only we will go.
Okay,
Otherwise, we will only be bearish. Try to go for short position in Indian market.
that's a good level where we are
Exactly.
thinking.
One short position also we can take, guys, here in USDT. We can take something like this. We can take a stop loss of 4 points here, and again we can try to capture 5 to 6 points minimum. So this level, if you see here, 4841. So let's go with 2 3 lots. 4841, quantity 3.
What's the reason of the trade? Can we know?
Exactly, just give me 1 second, I'll update you guys. 4847. So 6 point stop loss target, and 3 point stop loss, 4 point stop loss. 4 8 3 7 3 6. Let's go. So guys, I place my order now. You see here. So the reason is that simple. If you see the structure of the gold is, it's a buy on dip structure. So what we are planning is that this will be, first let me mark the entries and stop loss. So this will be our entry here. 4847 will be our target, and 4836 will be our stop loss. So what we are planning is that nothing, if you see here, it's a complete buy on dip structure. What gold is doing is that it is taking resistance here, but at the same time, it is also bullish. It is not going below the previous swing lows also.
Correct.
So maybe what can happen is that if the US market opens, a small pullback it can give, and then again it try to go up and test these supply zones. So test these supply zones. Again, if you see here, this was the yesterday's US session low. Where is that? 230. So somewhere here. This was the yesterday US session high closing price. Again, market is at the same level. So this same level is our target. So market is not like for the whole day, the market is not able to go above the US previous US session close. Again, it is trading the same level. So what's happening? Buyers are accumulating maybe. Once when the market opens, if we are willing, let's say if our view is wrong, we are losing 5 points. And if we are right, what we can do is that we can try to capture 6 points, plus we can trail also. So we can also capture 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 also. And if
And however, we are bullish on after the zone
exactly
breakout also.
So if zone breakout, it's a double good thing for us, because
we can
already
we were planning for a trade over there.
exactly. So all those people who are short from these levels, their stop loss will get hit. They'll stopped out. So this is a good thing for us. So we are waiting for the entry to execute. I think now it can execute. So we have placed our order. You guys can see this 3 PXZ. So simply waiting and nothing else.
Guys, whenever you are basically going for a trade in like CryptX or whatever, the limit order will be very good for you.
Exactly. Only try to see whatever asset you are trading, try to trade in limit orders.
Yeah.
Never enter in market orders. What will happen? You are entering or buying at a market level. Market can buy at any level, whatever the price
Correct.
available.
Yeah, and the little bit charges will also
Exactly. So try to enter at limit orders only.
Yeah.
If you don't get entry, so then leave it.
Let's
Don't feel like
for
from
next one.
Exactly. Opportunities will be there. Market is running 24 hours, 5 days. So for it will be keep running.
The order basically triggered now.
Order also now guys executed. So let's see. So I place my stop loss target everything here already. If you see here,
Yeah, profit, stop loss.
yeah. So everything has been placed.
That is a profit and this is a loss.
Loss if you see here. So let's see. See again we are willing to lose this much money. Only we need is that if market respects our view, we'll book some quantity here, some quantities we can book here also. If I'm wrong, I'll lose this much money. But if I'm right, if market also respected the view, we will try to capture more.
That's the only one thing what we can do. We can try to trail and trail
Exactly.
so that the big profits will be coming into the picture.
Yeah. So earlier, what we used to do is that we were trading, taking trades and then leave it. So now, what we are trying to do is that we are trying to take a trade in front of you guys also.
So the simple agenda of the like trade was a lot of area of consolidation and the demand area was there. So price came back to this area, it tapped this one, and we are expecting that it should go higher. And the stop loss is below this area only, small one. So we'll see here. So in just 5 minutes now, new session will also open. Let's see. Let's wait and watch. Any BTC
Small
trade?
profit 30 rupees, this thing. So we are trading in USDT, you can see the change in rupees also. So that is again a good thing for you. So if you are tracking your profit and loss in rupees, so
Yeah.
you can track from here.
And if you want USDT, USDT will be showing
Exactly.
over here.
USDT will be showing here.
See, 91 rupees is the current now.
Yeah. So many features are available here in CryptX. So if you see multiple this thing crypto coins you can trade here. So many crypto coins are there. So many crypto coins. Not only just BTC, gold or Ethereum. If you see Binance, Solana also is there. You see here Solana is also there. So multiple important or big this thing are there. If you see this is
Volume, everything is very
Avalon,
leverage.
this is Link USDT. So all these DT, all these coins are available. Like all the major coins we are covering. So you can also start trading in this thing. And the thing is that this is future and options also you can trade here, guys. BTC options. So here what's happening? Expiry is every day. Indian market expiry is 2 times in a week. Here every day expiry. Every day at 1:30, somewhere around 1:30 in the afternoon. So this is again a good thing. If you like if you're this thing trading is good in options. If you are good in options, so you can trade here. And good thing is that you will get 150x leverage also. So leverage also you are getting plus everyday expiry feature also you are getting. So if you are good in options, you are good in capturing momentum, or let's say you are a systematic seller. So again, that is also a good thing for you.
Yeah, option selling also you can do.
Exactly.
I will tell you that I told you as I promised. In the upcoming days, definitely I will give you an option selling strategies also. Okay.
So all
Let
these things will be
everybody
providing you.
bring here pace. We need little bit. People start attending more and more
So
people,
see
and we'll be
guys,
giving you a lot of
drop is
stops.
coming. Let's see if our stop loss will trigger or not. So we have just simply placed our order. Nothing we are doing. If it goes stopped out, no issues.
We have like 1 minute to open new session. Let's see.
Guys, if you have any doubt, if you want to know about anything analysis you want, you can put in the chat box now. You can put in your chat box. So Raju is saying good evening. So good evening, Raju. So let's say what happens for this hour trade.
1 minute just need to survive without stop loss so that it can easily take
Exactly.
anything. So that new session comes into the picture. Before that, it will be a little bit. It took a stop
So I
loss.
think yeah, stop loss triggered, guys.
Just a minute. Yeah, it took stop loss.
Stop loss triggered, guys. If you see here,
This
trade is so you see here, where is that?
yeah, that's
Yeah,
only
so this is our realized the loss, 1600 rupees, which is again fine. So if you would have been right, we could have captured more than that. So market is now trying to go down. Gold is trying to go down. Let's see in bigger time frame. Let's see in bigger time frame what's happening in gold. So again, if you see here, it is only consolidating nearby. So let's wait for 1 minute at the US market opens. Then only we'll plan second trade.
Thinking this is a like a good price reversal. Let's see.
Yeah, so market is open. US market is open, guys, now 6:30. Let's see. So this is a small, you can say, liquidity area. So a lot of liquidity is sitting here. Maybe market can grab this liquidity and then try to recover, or maybe this, if you see fair value gaps are pending here, market can also tap these zones. We can also plan for a short side also.
But the downside
Let's say we can plan this trade also, guys.
can tap from here.
So it can try to tap this liquidity, let's say. So we'll wait for the market to react to these levels and then only we will try to take any trade.
Okay. So let's place an order according to that one. Like it's
The
a
level
4,830.
so
It was like similar 10 point stop loss.
1830, 1.5. 31, let's go. 31 we are going.
No, this is
Oh,
the lots.
31 we are going, guys. We'll put the stop loss also. So 7 point stop loss will be enough, I guess.
That's
4831. So it will be 4824.
1 second. I stop loss.
Yeah, 4824 and 48. What was the high of that?
So 317 points. 14.
4844. So this will be our entry.
Let's see.
4844. So automatically you see here the system automatically takes the same thing. So let's see. 4824. Yeah. 4844. Okay, right. So again, this is a 1.8. 1 is to 1.8 risk reward ratio. So again, if you see, our losses are very much limited, guys. 2,000, 3,000. But if you're trying to capture, you're trying to capture more.
20,000, 30,000.
Exactly.
So only one.
So lose less, make more. You can never find a setup which can give you accuracy of 80, 85%, 75%. Try to find a setup where which you can try to capture at least more than 1 is to 1.5. Minimum 1 is to 1.5 you need.
This is a second trade for
Exactly. Still, if let's say first trade we lose 1,500 rupees, again here we can again lose 1,700 rupees. But if I am right, we will make here 3,500, 3,600 rupees. So this is the same thing we are trying to explain. Try to make more. Every time the market is respecting your view, try to make more.
Let's see, it's jumping.
So let's see.
What was a trade analysis? It was very simple. Price reacting from this level once, twice, thrice it is coming in the New York session. So let's see. So we are hoping that from here it will try to react from there. The stop loss is basically
So
7
even if
points.
you guys are, so someone is asking something, others is asking which setup is used for trade. So others, like we are doing every day, we are not using any indicator kind of stuff. Only thing we are doing is that simple price action analysis based on supply, demand, and liquidity swing. Nothing else. So see, the more clear your charts will be, the more clear your logics will be. Chances are that you can make money. Otherwise, we can also complicate this thing by adding few trend lines, by adding few indicators, Bollinger Bands, VWAP, Super Trend, all these things. But those things are not going to help you. The simple thing is going to help you is that properly marking the zone and how to find a setup which can give you better risk reward ratio. So see, the biggest edge here is risk reward ratio. As a buyer, the biggest risk reward ratio you need to have is a biggest edge you need to create is a risk reward ratio. And someone is also asking something. So I have a capital of 10K and I want to start in BTC, but will this be enough? And how do I manage my risk management and what position size and leverage should I do? So let's say you are trading with 10,000 in BTC. Okay. So what you can do is that you can create a standardized risk. Let's say I will only take risk of 500 rupees per trade, which is 5% of your capital. Or let's say 4% of your capital. And minimum you should try to capture 1 is to 1.5. So you can do this. Try to take trades, standardized risk of 4% or 5% of your capital.
That's completely fine. Why? Because this market is
Exactly.
volatile a little bit. Okay, that but reward also will be there for you.
Exactly.
So that is the thing.
As a starting beginner, you can do with this 10,000. Once you think, okay, my capital is growing now, you will also have more confidence. Your conviction is good. Then you can start taking more risk. You can, let's say, you can go with 7 to 8% of your capital in risk per trade. So all these things you can do.
I'm using your webhook call alerts that are getting triggered on TradingView, but the order is not getting placed on your platform. Yeah, definitely. No, we have that kind of yeah, the same thing we are also using for our algos also. No, so it is working. If you are facing some kind of a stuff, please contact to our
Exactly.
team. Okay, we will definitely help you out. You just you put your number here, we will pass that number to our team so that they can help that also. That is also fine. Otherwise, you can just directly contact our team also. Okay,
Exactly.
so immediately they will respond for you. Okay, both is completely fine. Price
So
is
see
reacting
guys,
from there already.
suddenly spike. So just missed our entry by small points. Let me remove this line. You see here, almost missed. If you see here from here to here, how many points we are getting?
1:1.
You see, almost 1:1 we are getting. If this entry would have executed, we could have traded our stop loss to cost also. So this thing will happen. Again, let's say we missed our entry. Now we are not running toward the entry.
Yeah, the stop loss will become big. So
Exactly.
let it come back, and if it is taking, let it take the trade. Otherwise, you get
Exactly.
removed. That's it.
So he's also asking, I mean, what should be the amount that I should use per trade? See, you can trade, let's say, 5 to 6,000. Don't go with all of your money. Trade with 5 to 6,000. And now one more good thing is that you can use isolated margin mode. So now what is isolated margin mode? Basically, what's happening? Let's say you have 10,000 in your account and you only used 5,000 in any trade. And this isolated margin mode is also on. So what will happen in case liquidation comes? So what will happen? Not all 10,000 will go to zero, but only the amount which you used to trade in that trade will go to zero.
That's true. Yesterday we were doing this stuff.
Exactly.
The BTC
So
also.
let's say 10,000 is your account, 4,000 you used in a trade in BTC, and a margin liquidation came. In case of isolated margin mode, what will happen? Only that 4,000 will go to zero. Remaining 6,000 will still be there. So why is this feature important? Let's say a big momentum came. You know this BTC?
That's very common. Gold, BTC,
Exactly.
everyone very
So
possible.
suddenly liquidation comes and lot of
So it
retailers, a
should
lot of
not
people
go
have
to
faced this issue.
full capital should not be wiped out
Exactly.
first time. So
So
isolation is a good
yeah,
thing.
so this feature will protect you in case of any unexpected or unprecedented event. This margin mode will help you. So you can use this margin mode. At least what happens, whatever the capital you use in that trade can go to zero, but not the amount that you have in your wallet. Understand? So that is how you can
Yeah,
use.
I've already raised a ticket, but not received any responses on JSON. Okay, fine. I will definitely tell you. Okay, so I
Let
will
me share
definitely
your
tell you.
number. You can directly connect with this number, guys.
We'll give you a contact number. You can directly contact this number. Okay.
Should we post this thing?
Yeah.
So guys, I've shared you this number. You can directly connect with this number. Text
Okay,
also.
and
Yeah.
definitely I will also let you know to the team that this was the stuff.
Yeah. So guys, whatever your feedback about the platform, please give us feedback. It is very important for us.
so we can improve it.
Exactly.
So let's the price is basically moving higher and higher only. Silver, gold, BTC. Any momentum? There is no. BTC is dead today.
Let's
See,
check any
from
news.
morning it is like
So now gold is not moving, then we are expecting that market is not moving.
Correct.
Because now the gold is moving like this, that everyone is saying this is a boring market. Okay,
Yeah.
so some data is about to come at 7 o'clock.
Unemployment claims is there. Yeah, maybe momentum will be
Okay,
there
so
here.
final GDP data is also
Also
there. Okay, core
Core
PCE
CPI.
price. Okay, so these important news are there, guys.
Today, then we can
It
expect
will directly, it will definitely going to impact the market.
7 o'clock and 8:30.
Exactly, 7 o'clock and 8:30. So let's see, we have placed our order.
Today, guys, after closing live, also now we will be not keeping this. If it is not triggering, we will be not
Exactly.
keeping. Why? Because we will be exiting this one. See, when like news hits in the market, no, lot of volatility will
Yeah.
be coming into the picture.
Price
So
action structure, nothing is going to.
nothing will work. No support, no resistance will work.
Exactly.
It's simply up and down will be there. And my EC take a stop loss. So you also try to follow this one. If anything news is there, try to avoid trading. Okay, for the time being, and then again you start doing it.
So like let's say news at 7 o'clock, so 5 minutes, 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after you can avoid.
Yeah.
So that 20, 30 minutes you can keep as a buffer zone. Because
So
as
that
a
time,
retailer, what will
try
happen?
not to trust the market.
Yeah,
That's
so
it.
you will take a trade with small capital in case your stop loss did not trigger. Your account will go into liquidation.
That
And
there's a
this,
very high chance. I
yeah,
also happened. That for me also it
and
happened in the
yeah,
platforms.
it's a very common thing for a retailer because we are not trading based on risk management systems.
Yeah,
Or we are just simply believing on the broker.
correct.
And there are thousands of people like us, thousands of retailers. So what will happen if in case broker's stop loss did not hit, it's your money who is going to be lose. Broker will say that simply stop loss skipped. You can't do anything. Your money will go to zero.
Try always to keep a
Yeah,
stop loss or like never ever try to trade
exactly.
in the new session.
So in next 10-15 minutes, if you are not getting entry, we will try to close this position.
Actually, this is good, guys. If momentum is also not there. Why? Because little bit consolidation, 2 3 days
Yeah.
consolidation, and gold again can see a new high. We need more consolidation like this. Gold and silver should consolidate for a little bit longer time. After momentum, it needs a little bit consolidation. See, momentum, consolidation, momentum. Again, now come on consolidation, consolidation. Again, I need some 5 6 days consolidation. Again, it will try to give a higher prices. That is what we are expecting. BTC is dead. It's basically not coming to our favor. That could definitely we will try to solve your issue. After the
Yeah.
live, we will be telling that to our team also. So that was the
Yeah,
thing.
you
Okay.
can directly connect to this number, guys. If anyone has any issue regarding CryptX or anything else, you can directly connect. So it's a live support number. It will be available 24/7. So you see here almost from 31 to 40 it came, 39 it
Very,
came.
very, very small marginal.
Yeah, so simple entry is simple. Entry logic is simple. Is there anything complicated we did here?
Nothing I see. However, the chance of winning is 50-50, right? So you take a trade, but play the risk reward.
Exactly.
So when it comes to try to take more than 1 to 1.5, then automatically you guys will be in a profitable
The
area.
biggest edge is risk reward ratio.
Yeah,
Nothing else.
you can target these areas also if the price is giving momentum. That is also there. But
Simply market came here, went up. Again, respected same zone went up. Now again we were trying to enter here. Missed our entry, no issues. Now we are again not chasing the entry.
correct.
If again 5-10 minutes it's coming, then we will okay, we'll keep the order open. Otherwise, we have to close because news will be there. In news, what will happen? Big candles will come like this.
And immediately it will take stop loss also target also, but
Both.
we don't want to take that risk,
Yeah.
which we don't
So
have in our
see,
hand.
risk has to be logical.
Yeah, correct.
It's not something you are already we are taking trades based on probability. Now news is as complete speculation.
Correct.
In news also what will happen 20 points down, 20 points up, 30 points up, something like that. So there will not be any proper risk management also.
Yeah. So guys, you can basically try to keep this one until 7 o'clock. Before 7 o'clock only, 10 minutes only should actually.
Yeah.
I think I will remove only from your here only. Why? Because it doesn't make sense. Why? Because news will be coming to the 10 like 7 o'clock picture.
Yeah.
Immediately volume will come into the market. Okay. So one stop loss was there for us today. Okay. So we don't have any swing trades for tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah. So it's a advice for you guys also that don't take any trade now. Wait for 7:15, 7:30, then plan a trade.
And 8:30 again news is there. Okay.
Exactly.
So before that only you try to end up
Yeah.
the trade again.
See, whenever the market is consolidating means something news is there. Market is waiting for that news to come.
and it triggers. That's it. A trigger point
Exactly. So
result.
market is waiting for a trigger point, and that
Yeah.
news is a trigger point. So avoid anything. Don't see, now we are saying that if market is going above this zone, you can go long. What if market news comes, market suddenly went up and comes down?
It has a possibility. That's it.
And same thing if market goes down from here and then suddenly comes up.
Yeah, our target is done.
So this thing you have to understand. But that in new session or news time, price action is not going to help you. Structures are not going to help you because this is a momentum based on a something which is a unexpected this thing something event which is once in a month or a quarter.
Completely uncertain.
So that is an uncertain because now data, no one knows about the data.
Correct.
And what, however, the data, it can be positive, negative, and then we don't know that how market is going to react to that data. So in this scenario, there is no price action. So wait for the market to again get settled down. Then again, we can try to find any position.
Yeah, guys, that is what is for today. So we will be winding up our live here.
Yeah, so we are
So,
winding.
okay. So thank you for attending live. Tomorrow again we will be doing up.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
everybody can
every
join.
day you guys can
And
join.
we remember your query also. We will try to sort it out. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Okay, bye guys.